There again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'm a Colour Arte affiliate, so we're going to use some Prizm Pour, some Primary Elements, some Blingets. This is Sherwin Williams in eggshell, Sherwin Williams Latex. And I've been using a combination of that and the Tricorn Black. I'm liking what happens, so I'm going to continue doing it. Because it's fun. No better reason to do anything I can think of. Need to spread this around some. I'd say a random pattern is going to be fine. I'm probably going to scoop and drag. I'll leave this over here in case I need it. Give myself a little more black. Because I can, the name of my first book on the Amazon link next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. Now that looks like probably way more paint than I need. But that's just the way it's going to go right now, I guess. Plus I have an awful lot of fun making the black and white designs and watching them spread. I'll have to get some paint bottles out of the way, I think. One of these times I might just decide to keep one of these. I do really love black and whites. And I think I've left enough paint in the center so I could still scoop and drag. I'm going to use my favorite, well, one of my favorites, which is right now Wild Orchid. I'm not sure it's going to make any difference putting it in the white or not. I'm going to use some Chantilly lace. And hope that it decides to show up. I'm trying to remember what I was using. I don't think it was the Plum Blossom. That's my Prizm Pour Royal Sapphire that's just sealed itself up. And hopefully that wasn't the plug that just came out, although I have a suspicion that it could have been. So let's grab the Mayan Gold, or use the Mayan Gold. Maybe I'll just use the Mayan Gold. Maybe I'll just use some of this Interference Violet. Just to see if it shows up. Because it's time to mix some more anyway. And if I want something else, now's the time. And I really do. I'm going to slide in a little bit of Rhapsody Rose, which is a primary element also. And I think I'm going to find the Mayan Gold and put some in, even though I might use it on my spatula. And we'll get a few of these bottles out of the way right now, because otherwise I'll have to do it when I go to spin. And I don't know that I want to do that. Alright, let's grab my large spatula. Do I want to do that? Maybe I want to use a smaller, wider spatula. Well, not wider, but a different configuration. That might have been more than I needed. That is my Amsterdam white that's had some paint added to it, so I'm hoping that it works. Stop dripping, Priscilla. This is the Mayan Gold. That's a Prizm Pour. Kind of think I should have used something else, but that's fairly well cleaned off. I'm going to grab a skewer. It's time to clean the studio up again, I can tell right now. I love putting spirals in blooms because no matter how small they are, they tend to expand. But what I've forgotten right now, temporarily, is that I want to scoop and drag. Still, I'm having fun, so I'm not going to worry about it. I needed to have some fun today too. It was a rough day. Not making much sense with my marks, but that's okay. Let's grab a palette knife and scoop and drag something. And hoping my head isn't obscuring everything again. I would prefer not to. Sometimes I don't like covering up some cool stuff. We definitely got enough paint, which means I'm going to have to spin it out quite thoroughly. Trying to create enough overlaps to create the impression of some dimension. Am I done yet? I don't know, it looks pretty cool right now actually. Like really cool right now. Let's just move that all down right there. I'm gonna lose that cool thing in the corner. Can there be too many scoop and drags? I don't know. Let's do this. Fill in that side and that side. And spread that out. Just go around the edge and do the same thing. Hoping I get to keep some negative space, although I kind of wonder. Definitely good art therapy, and I needed this therapy. Okay, so I've got a couple spaces like over here and over here that don't have enough paint. And a little will probably go a long way. I'm going to wipe that off. I don't know why it's important to me to do that. Didn't matter. I didn't wipe it off well enough anyway. But I still have the paint that I needed right there. Do I have any more scoop and drags that I want to do? They're kind of like that one. All right, I think that's it, at least for the moment. Grab my barrier. Try and put this in position so we can both, so you can see it and I can see it. Ready? First one white, then the other. I hope this is half as cool as it started out. It's very cool. I think there's going to be at least 6 drags, so I should tell you guys, I appreciate your thumbs up when you give it to me. I appreciate your comments. When you leave me comments, you boost my morale. That is so cool. That's a lot of white up there, but it's still so cool. I'm wondering if maybe I want to use a little black cell activator and go into that white and create some more cells. But it's really turning out to be very interesting. I'm wondering how deep that paint is. It's going to be a little bit deep, but I'll tell you what, I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. I want to thank you guys for being here, and I tell you that I've changed my post times to 10 a.m. in the morning Eastern Standard Time from 2:15 p.m. in the afternoon. This is really cool. I really like this. And I'm going to be able to peel that paint off tomorrow and use it for something else, I'm pretty sure. I might even spin my, my silicone mat out just to spread it out some. Do I have paint on all my sides? Yes, 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 and yes. Well, in this case, I definitely used enough paint. Wow, I love those colors together. I've been looking forward to using the Royal Sapphire and the Wild Orchid all day, but I didn't realize how nice the brain cramp, the Rhapsody Rose. I want to spin one more time so it's not going to crack, but I don't want to lose any more. So I'm going to just say I love you guys, and my email address is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. My paint pouring recipes are below the video. I don't think I'm going to spin again. That white is, it's compelling. It's like something organic is growing up there, which is kind of cool. And I still got a little bit of black and white left, so that's kind of neat. I don't know which way is up, which way up is best yet. So, what can I tell you guys? I have 28 lists of 100 videos. I have playlists of videos organized by topic and genre. I should really get down there and shimmer that at you. If you're still here, and I think you are. This is a whole series of these scoop and drags that are very, very, very dramatic, and I like it. Oh, that's totally cool. That's got to be that interference violet. This is going to be something else to see tomorrow. I can't wait to see it. I've never, in all the time I've tried to shimmer things at you, I think I accidentally show you something cool once in a while. I've never really figured out what it is that I'm doing right or wrong. Maybe somebody should tell me sometime. Anyway, when you share my videos, you help me out. Your thumbs up make me happy. Whoop. My phone just asked me if I wanted to know what the weather was tomorrow. I don't have any idea what that was about. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. My Amazon link is close to the percentage off Colourarte coupon code, which may be 25% if this video is airing before November 30th, which is kind of doubtful, so it'll probably be 15 or 20, something similar. My paint pouring recipes are below, show more. Questions are encouraged. My community board, like I said, will show you tomorrow's video. What am I missing? I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. And whatever you're not hearing from me now is Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, all on my link tree, along with my website, my Amazon link where my 2 books are, because I can in Unlimited Possibilities. I'm going to let you guys go. Le Gallerist has got some great new patterns of mine on it, and so does Society 6. You might want to check those out. They're both on the link tree. And I think that's about it. Oh, if you'd like to see any of the designs or any of the paintings reproduced on merch, clothing or bottles or yoga mats or baby onesies or coffee mugs, you name it, you just have to ask. Spring clothing is what you see below the video. There's a lot of great stuff there. You might want to check it out. All right. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Thanks for the art therapy. I'll talk to you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.